First few days, parang nahihirapan kang i-approach ang lahat. You didn't know what to say, you didn't know how to act. Pero that's when I knew na we were gonna be friends. Kasi pakiramdam ko parang ako nakatingin sa salamin. Doon ko din nalaman na wala kang kumpiyansa sa sarili mo. You were full of self-doubt. I was really full of self-assurance. You really only came around nung nakuha mo yung red flag. Yung pinaka hindi nagpapakatotoo. Parang pakiramdam na parang nag-switch ka na lang bigla na unti-unti nagbaba ka ng walls, unti-unti nagtitiwala ka sa sarili mo. And I would say you became my best friend in the house. We were honest with each other and we really protected each other even when we weren't duos. Thank you, Mika. Thank you for keeping me in check. Siguro kung may mapapromise ako sa'yo, I know you have made mistakes in the past. If you feel like things are starting to fall apart, I'll help you, pick up the pieces. So, thank you for sharing your heart, Mika.
Noong unang pagpasok niya ng mga kapamilya dito sa loob ng bahay, I just know na you have a wall. And tulad ko, nag-iingat ka din sa lahat ng sinasabi mo, sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Sa pinakamahirap na moments ng journey ko dito sa loob ng bahay, ko yung kasama ko, which is nung naging task leaders tayo, first eviction, first nomination, kulang na lang, pati pagkatao bitbitin mo nung mga time na yon. And sobrang lakas mo, sobrang hanga ako sa'yo nung time na yon. Unti-unti ko din nakita sa'yo na bumababa talaga yung walls mo. Slowly, nakita namin yung kung paano ka umiyak, kung paano ka mag-express sa mga tao. Kahit sobrang nakikringe ka pagka pinapakita mo sa mga tao na may care ka, ramdam na ramdam talaga namin yung nakita namin kabutihan mo. Na I'm always gonna be proud of you. I'm always gonna love you, proud of you, kung sino ka, and kung sino pa yung magiging ikaw.
Love you too, bro. Break a leg, bro.